Here's a review of the Redmi Note 9. Redmi is the affordable lineup smartphone under the giant company Xiaomi. The Note family series is one of the most popular mid-range smartphones that offer great value for money. Let's begin with the unboxing. The Redmi Note 9 isn't a flagship device, but it offers a premium build and touch design. The Corning Gorilla Glass 5 sandwich front and rear offer better resistant damage from drops and as well as scratches. On the rears are the quad rear camera setup and a fingerprint scanner that plays symmetrically, which what the company intended. The center position camera bump reduces the wobbles when using it on flat surface like on table. The rear-mounted fingerprint scanner is reliable and fast as we all expected compared to an in-display fingerprint scanner. Despite the glass sandwich and 5000 mAh battery, it only weighs under 200 grams. The entire builds are robust and doesn't feel cheap at all. There's a down-firing speakers at the bottom alongside with USB Type-C charging port, microphone and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. The 6.53-inch LCD IPS display sports a full HD resolution where many rivals in this price category will only offer 720p resolution. It pushes 450 nits brightness, which is decent enough for daily use. The color production is pretty punchy and vibrant. The Redmi Note 9 is the first smartphone that uses the new MediaTek Helio G85 by the company. It's a mid-range gaming-centric chipset that equivalents to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset that found on the Redmi Note 9S and the Redmi Note 9 Pro. There are two different configurations offered, 3GB of RAM with 64GB of storage, and the one that we're testing now is the 4GB of RAM with 120GB onboard storage. Both support microSD card for storage expansion. Despite the processor claim to be gaming-centric, it isn't quite as powerful as the flagship smartphone. It still can play all the latest games with decent experience on medium graphics settings. There's a Game Turbo option that helps to optimize the gaming experience. Redmi didn't cut costs on the camera departments and offer a more standard 48MP main cameras with an 8MP ultra-wide angles, and personally felt redundant 2MP depth sensors and a 2MP macro lens. The front hole punch notch houses a 30MP camera sensor. To make things clear, high megapixel doesn't mean better image output. The 48MP is pixel binded from a 12MP camera sensor, and the default image output is also 12MP. Here are some photo samples were taken with the Redmi Note 9. The image quality is pretty decent and struggle a little in the low light environment. The macro lens is pretty garish and the image quite flat and dull. However, given the price point, we can't argue or complain much. As for the videos, it only shoots 1080p with EIS, and here are some video samples. Under the skin is the Android 10 with great customization option. There's no app drawer by default, but you can enable it under the settings if that's your thing. You need to deal with a lot of redundant pre-installed apps like duplicate services offered by Google like browsers, galleries, videos, music, and more. Maneuvering on the MIUI 11 is pretty responsive and smooth even on multitasking. There's a huge 5000 mAh battery which packed with 18W quick charge. The battery life is remarkable great as expected from the Redmi Note series. If you're a power user, you're likely to get a full day usage and normal use can last through 2 days. It comes with a 22.5 power brake despite the max input is only 18W. Nevertheless, it's a rare scene to see an affordable smartphone that's included in the box. With a starting price of Rm649 the Redmi Note 9 is a compelling device that offers great build, performance and long battery life. The Redmi Note 9 is one easy to recommend sub-700 smartphone that offers decent performance and excellent battery life. Hope you like this video, do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, my name is Joshua Wong, see you guys soon.